Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 7th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, kiwi dollar. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold analysis, you're in the right place, and there's quite a lot to unpack heading into this Asian session. Gold is sitting at $4,109 right now, and the technical picture is firmly bearish across all 3 of our active timeframes. The 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 15-minute charts are all aligned to the downside. On the 4-hour chart, we've seen a clear sequence of lower highs forming since that peak up near $4,215 earlier in the week, and price has now broken below both the EMA 20 at $4,133 and the EMA 50 at $4,121. Those levels have flipped into dynamic resistance overhead. The RSI sitting at 43 and a negative MACD histogram confirm the momentum shift is real. The immediate overhead barrier to watch is the $4,125 to $4,142 resistance zone. That's where price rolled over during the New York close, so any attempted recovery into that band deserves close attention. On the downside, the nearest structural floor is the session low at $4,103, and below that, the key support cluster sits between $4,078 and $4,092. On the fundamental side, the calendar is light. Governor Bowman speaks early in the European morning, but it's rated low impact, so don't expect that to be a meaningful catalyst. That means gold will likely take its cues from broader dollar sentiment and any residual safe haven positioning shifts overnight. Levels to keep on your radar: $4,125 to $4,142 as resistance, and $4,103 then $4,078 on the downside. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1 for 28 and 1.1 for 46. Support is marked between 1.139 and 1.14. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3385 and 1.3397. Support is marked between 1.3329 and 1.3335. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.4 and 162.6. Support is marked between 161.65 and 161.85. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8088 and 0.8092. Support is marked between 0.8065 and 0.807. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.5698 and 0.57055. Support is marked between 0.5672 and 0.5675. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 217.1 and 217.21. Support is marked between 216.25 and 216.38. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.